Hello students, I am Anantram. You are learning and watching from Anantram English Classes YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about making noun from verbs. There is a way and a simple way that you can make a noun from verbs. If you add er in any verb or first form of the verb, it will change into a noun. Some examples are here. Visit is a verb. If you add er in it, then it becomes visitor, and visitor is a noun. Read, R-E-A-D, read is a verb, and if you add er in it, it becomes reader, and reader is a noun. Receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive. Receive is a verb, first form of the verb, and by adding er in it, it becomes receiver. And receiver means it is a noun. Give, G-I-V-E, give. By adding in er, it becomes giver, and giver is a noun. Then it is a way that you can make a noun from verbs by adding er. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe.